Bored during lockdown. Due to this you are facing many kind of health issue, during lockdown your health getting worse day by day. I am explaining about a program due to that you can maintain yourself. Just do this yoga and maintain yourself in this period. I am explaining the best program of yoga during lockdown. Yoga Burns Total Body Challenge is a famous fitness program that makes weight loss easier for all those are struggling with their weight. It is specially designed for young to middle-aged women who want to try yoga for losing and maintain weight, along with total body toning. Only within 12 weeks, every user of Yoga Burn is able to achieve a desirable body shape and weight. Here is a complete review of this program, answering the basic questions on its effectiveness. Yoga Burn Total Body Challenge, as the name indicates, is a 12-week program that is designed by the famous yoga coach, Zoe Bray Cotton. It is for all women who need an easy and comprehensive weight loss guide, even for beginners. This is different from any other weight loss program because it is monitored by the experts and the supporting staff is only one call away from the user. It comes with a 60-day full money-back guarantee, which suggests that this program is worth its price and absolutely not a money waster. It has 3 stages, the first one is a beginner level and the last one is the advanced level. Note that women of all ages can join this program and Yoga Burn Challenge works well for everyone. Once a woman finishes this 12-week yoga challenge, she can repeat it again, if needed. If followed correctly, it helps to get a flat stomach, toned body, and a trimmed overall figure. Benefits of Yoga Burn for women. Yoga is a centuries-old meditating and healing practice that has hidden benefits for health. Based on ancient science, this program helps to improve brain and body functions in a way that the body drops all unnecessary fats naturally. Using Yoga Burn only for 12 weeks would cause numerous health benefits. During this period you will experience an improved metabolism, reduced hunger, relaxing sleep, increased body flexibility, improved muscular strength, high energy levels, controlled blood pressure and sugar, and an overall mood and immunity improvement. Conclusion: Yoga Burn looks like a reliable weight loss and full body plan which is easy to follow, affordable, and brings guaranteed results. Every woman can try it, it has no age restrictions. All that it needs is a few minutes from your busy routine, and in return, it gives you your dream body and weight. Not to forget, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee which suggests your money is safe. Don't think more and start your weight loss journey with Yoga Burn today. Your journey is one click away. Link in description.